welcome back to my channel. First things first, because it's a cooking video, we're going to tie our hair. So, and we're here. Whew. So now that our hair is all tied up and ready to go, let's get into the recipe. So today's recipe is a really simple protein-packed green gram dosa, crepe, chilla. Yeah, these are the three names that I'm aware of. So you can call them anything. Stay tuned. First step is to soak these green gram for about 8 hours, or in my case what I did was I just soaked them overnight and I used tap water to soak them. The next step is super simple. All you need to do is drain the water out so that the old water is out and transfer it back to the bowl. Now we're getting into the fun part, which is making the batter. So to this you need to add about 1.5 cups of water. The next step is pretty simple. You just have to transfer this into a blender. Now it's the most important part, which is to chop this onion. And I hope I don't cry. I'll try. You just need half an onion, by the way. You just have to chop these and try not to cry. So it's good that it's just half. So that, why am I chopping this? It's going into the blender. Yeah, okay, you know what? I'm stupid. Oh my god, there's so many stupidities on my channel right now. Okay, so don't chop this like this. I do not know why I did that. It was clearly I can't listen to any instructions. So then what I'm going to do is put the onions into the blender as well. Everything is ruined. Okay, so I'm going to put the onions and then I'm going to put about 3 chilies, or just maybe not split it, just break this because it's going to go all into the mix. What else? Anything else, mommy? That's it. Okay, fine. So now we're going to blend this and I will show you the results after. Alright, so I have blended the mixture and I'm going to pour this into this bowl now. And I think the consistency correct or no? And then Gorpila, it's my first time. Okay, so the consistency apparently seems right. I do not know. I'm just following instructions given by my mommy. So that's that. What else do I need to add in this? Turmeric. Yeah. Turmeric. Okay. Some manya podi. Kal teaspoon. Kal teaspoon. What does that mean? Kal. This is kal. This is kal teaspoon. Okay, a little bit of turmeric. Yes. Mommy, kal teaspoon in the English. 1/4. Yes. Yeah, 1/4 teaspoon of. So this makes it. Mommy, why do you put this in the color? Yes. Okay, so when you put the turmeric, apparently it becomes greener, which is, I think I can see that. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it looks really pretty now, better than it was. Okay, anything else? Maybe salt? Yeah, salt. Is this okay, mommy? And that's a no. Okay. Okay, so a bit of salt to taste. Yeah, basically. Okay, fine. So we're going to set this aside for a sec. There's no proofing or anything to be done in this, and also it's super healthy because it's completely 100% protein. Anyway, so I'm going to now go and chop the smaller. Okay, so is it smaller? Very small. Mummy, your daughter is not equipped for very small. Okay, I'm going to chop this as much as... Oh my god. Can you tell I'm really good at cooking? Madhya, idhu nellu. Vandinga parayita. Bas? How do people do this? Okay, anyway. Ah! Almost cut myself. Damn it. Okay, now I'm going to have to move this. Oh my god, that sound! Okay, I don't like that sound. So, we're going to add this into this mix here. So, there's no rice, nothing else to add. This is it. No. Because it's super healthy. Ugh! Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. It's ready to make? Yeah. That's it. So the batter is ready. Right, so now we're going to make the crepe situation. So let's get to it. Alright, cool. So now we have a different station. and we're waiting for our pan, our tawa pan, jo bhi hai, to heat up. If you guys are wondering, this is a non-stick pan, so you don't have to put oil as of now. You give a quick stir to this batter. Is that what this is called, right? Batter. Batter. Oh, maavu. Okay, fine. Api to chudai. Ayya. Chudai. Oh God, that was hot. Okay, so I'm going to put oru spoon. Okay. God bless my soul. And then you're going to make dosa out of this. This isn't a crepe, mummy. This is thicker than a crepe. Madhya. Madhi? Mummy, let me do it! And then, now that this is setting up, I'm going to put some ghee. You can put olive oil, you can put anything that you like. Ghee is what I'm going to attempt with now. We usually put olive oil, but today, because it's a YouTube video, we're going to go full fat. Chitti chitti, I'm going to try. Madhi. Mummy. Workout il to body sata to bada. Bas. Bas bhai. Oh my God, that's a lot. That's a lot. I'm panicking. Should I mix? Oh shoot. Mummy, I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it. Oh, looks nice. Okay. Madhya, bas. Okay, don't touch it. As per mummy's instructions. Okay, so it's going to sizzle like this for a couple minutes. What to eat this with?
Sambar or chutney.
What chutney?
Coconut chutney or chili chutney.
No. You shouldn't flip this.
No.
But what if it burns?
No.
It won't burn?
No.
Mummy, the kattira. Okay, so should I cover this? Yes, you're going to cover this. Okay, I think this is ready, mummy.
Yeah.
So wait, even not flip it or what?
Flip it.
Oh, okay, so I don't know if you can see, but this side is literally now detached. Oh, that's Italy. Okay, it is. Okay, fine. So I'm going to... No? Oh, okay. Ingane?
Yes.
Ooh! That looks so good!
Yes.
Bas, that's it? Mummy cooked it. It's not raw, right?
No.
Dang! So, pro tip from mummy. Oh! Ah! Mama! Oh, so this is to cool down the pan?
Okay.
So that it's ready for the next round?
Yes.
Okay. Up the evaporator. Okay, so now it's ready for second round, which I'm going to let my mom do this. Wait 1 second. Let me focus the camera because the pro is doing this. Okay, let's do this. Yes. Mommy, why does it look like that? I'm so much better than...
Yeah, correct.
What is that? Wait, let me help you with this.
Wait.
I'm going to help my mom because clearly she's having performance anxiety. Give me a minute. Let's check on this now. I think it's ready, Mommy. Last one. And we're ready. Let's plate this up. Ta-da! Ignore this. It doesn't look good. But it's going to taste good. So I'm going to sit here and she's going to sit there. And let's taste. Mommy will taste it. Dippy and adindina. Okay? So cheers to Jincy's first attempt. Satya padavada. Ishta me parano.
Crispy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Tastes good, but
crispy.
Crispy.
So it needs to be a bit more crispy. So and above we have to put more ghee. Cover it for longer.
No.
More ghee. Everything is better with ghee, so I guess just put more ghee. And any other feedback? How do you like it with the sambar? I think it's better with chutney.
Yeah, red chutney.
Literally no carbs in this. I don't know if there's no carbs. I think there's no, it's just protein.
Yeah,
It's literally just protein. No carbs, super healthy. Anything you want to tell?
Try it.
Try it! Listen to mommy! Try it! We're gonna head off. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you do try the recipe, tag at Jincy James on Instagram and let me know. And bye. Let me say bye.
Bye.